Welcome to my humble abode.
You have a very nice face.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Thank you. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
How are you?
Fine. Hey, everything is okay. Okay. Welcome, sir.
I am actually expecting Sandra.
Yeah.
Yes, when she comes, tell her I am not around.
Oh, you did now? Everything to your eye. Make I help you.
Is everything going okay here?
Everything is fine.
Well, are we gonna go in?
Just give me a moment, please.
Yeah. Alright.
Must you always be an African monkey and castrated billy goat? You this waxwork dummy. Tell Sandra I am not around. Use your head. Damn it.
He's not around. Okay, sir. Alright, sir. Until welcome. Feel free. Yeah, it's our boat. That's it.
Hey! Stop there. Where they go?
What do you mean? I'm here to see AY, of course.
Hey, why? You know him.
What do you mean AY is not in? This is not AY's cars.
So the car cannot be in and he's not in. I say you know there, you know there. You don't hear me? AY is not in. He went out. It's true. See. Stop there. Oh. What now? If I follow what you are saying, if I follow instructions, they go now.
Are you okay?
Am I okay?
Tell Sandra I am not around. Use your head.
If you come where? If you cross here, I'll follow instructions and I'll use my head. Move.
I don't have time for all this.
Good. Let's go to talk. Maybe you have something. In, you know in. What's going on here? What? I use my head. You use your. Okay. Okay.